We particularly proud of the way we deliver the program and make sure the student understands and acquires the basic skills and knowledge, and then they also exercise their knowledge in the lab, in their design. So when they graduate, they not only knowing the knowledge, but knowing how to use the knowledge and how to practice the knowledge in the real world.
My experience with civil engineering has been very good. It's the good balance between design and actual engineering. You can incorporate your ideas and your personality into engineering. We have a lot of labs and putting basically everything we learn in lectures into practice.
You have the typical wear the notch bench, which is for the year 1 fluid mechanics study, to give students a basic idea of fluid mechanics principles. And then the hydraulic jump is typically designed for the year 2 student to look at the practical application of the hydraulic control. And then the yellow flume is the wave current flume, which is designed to let the student to use their knowledge and exercise their designs to look at the practical civil engineering problems.
There's a virtual reality center, a soil mechanics lab, a hydraulics lab.
Also, we have the active learning lab. We have all the opportunities to make models from scratch, and university was providing for all of the materials and for all the 3D printing that I required.
One typical example is the year 2 group design. We look at the bridge connection between the Harrison Hughes building and Walker building. We give the students the basic parameters, and the students have a freedom to choose any design they want.
We create our own company, our own logo, and did a presentation to a board. It introduces you into what sort of project you'll be going into in industry and what you'll be doing if you want to go more into the structural side.
The second example is the Mercy Gateway. We bring them in a group to the Mercy Gateway to look at the existing design and ask them to come up with their own unique design. The site managers and the project managers come along and assess the students' design output.
Organizing these trips off-site helps you a lot. This helps you become a better civil engineer.
Also, another good thing that we did was constructionarium. You work on site and you start from using the drawings and the sketches on Revit, and then you go to the site and you actually build either a bridge or the gherkin or an oil rig even. The good thing about constructionarium is that it really puts into perspective what you've learned in your engineering course in the first 2 years, because you go on site and you see everything being applied in real life.
As a civil engineer, we have to work with the industry quite closely. They look at the curriculum we deliver, the different modules we deliver, and also they make a contribution to the delivery themselves, as well as they provide site visits and work placement opportunities for our students.
As a part of my Year 4 module, I visited a Royal Liverpool hospital. That's an actual construction site. And seeing the hospital built from scratch to hospital, it's amazing, and also helps you to understand construction aspects on a real construction site.
The city was amazing when I first came. It has a good balance between being a city and sort of a residential area, as well as the uni having all the resources that you need.
Liverpool has delivered the civil engineering for many years. Our graduates from this university has gone to various companies, various places, and become very successful. Engineering as a whole is important to the whole society, as we know, and particularly for the civil engineering. We are into really the people to change the world, to construct, to build, and to design. So that will affect daily life for everyone throughout the world.